to. Gusto ko yung matcha, yung pure lang. Pero nung trinay ko yung pure matcha sa SB, hindi, dati pa ata yun. Ate, alam niyo yung pure talaga, yung walang asukal. Ay, Diyos ko, hindi ko kinaya. Hindi ko mainom eh. Yun, gamer zone. And si Marjana Pata, si Gab. Si Gab, saan? Yung lasanda mo. Kuya Nurse, ibablock kita muna. Matcha Oreo ice cream. Sa ice cream, pwede na. Depende kung na pwede magbanggit ng brand. Pwede na yan. Nawala lang. Biglang nag-iba yung rules. May sarili lang rules. Masarap Magnum. Pwede na yan. Wala naman masyadong tao eh. Wala, di na ako chinachat ni Gab. Naku, baka busy yun. Naiyak si Jeremy. Ako ba talaga ang miss? Ako ba talaga ang miss? O si Oremy? Aray mo, pakak. Nakakainis. Aray mo, pakak. Manager B, I miss you. Thank you for the heart ni Manager B. Kamusta ka po? Thank you, this is Kevin. Thank you po sa gifts. Ayan. Sige, kanta na tayo muna. Sana dumaan si Kuya Piu. Birthday nun ni. Kantahan natin. Teka. Kantahan ko muna kayo. Anong gusto niyo first song? Relapse agad o masaya? Press 1 kung gusto mag-relapse. Press 2 kung gustong masayang kanta. Ay! Thank you po, Ate Aya. Thank you po. Salamat po. Uy, live goal achieved. Thank you po. Masaya? Masaya? Mali. Hello, Jess. Masaya o hindi? Relapse agad daw eh. 6-7. What 6-7? 6-7. Ano ba yan? Kuya Armo naman nakaka-distract. Thank you po, Ate Ria, for the heart me. Thank you po, Eri. Hello. Hello, Ate Eri. Masaya ba? O sige, tensyonado. Hindi, masaya nga daw eh. O sige. Risk it all. Masaya ba yun? Masaya yun. Pang ano yun eh. Pang in love yun eh. Huwag yun na ano yun yung desisyon ko. Hello, J-Ray. So, my first song. Oh, biglang my first song? Kala mo, host eh, no? My first song is Risk It All by Bruno Mars. Isang kanta lang, babounce na agad ako ipagpatawad mo. Okay! Okay, Kuya Nurse. Thank you po, Manager B, for the gifts. Game na. Hello po! Uy, hello. Uy, hello. Hello po sa inyo. Thank you po, Manager B. Thank you, Soft Orwida. Hello, everyone. For just a chance. Nauna ako to win your heart. You can set the bar beyond the stars. I'll do anything, anything you ask me to. Sorry guys, walang warm up. Say you want the moon, watch me let it fly, and a mountain you can point to. I wouldn't climb, it's crazy but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. Keep tapping the screen, everyone, to hold your hand and call you mine. I'm trying to be your man till the end of time. I'll do anything, anything it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. Hello, only for Matt. I would swim across the sea just to show you the sacrifice of my life just to hold you. I could go on and on to prove that you belong here in my arms. Charan. Ayan, kamusta naman kayo? Keep tapping the screen naman everyone. Ayan, ang goal natin ay mag 100k uli Pag di 100k yan, tatakbo ako. Joke lang. The moon, watch me let it fly. And no matter you can point to, I wouldn't climb. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. It's crazy, but it's true. There's nothing I won't do. I'd risk it all for you. Ayan. Alam ko ba to? Sorry po sa ads. Alam ko ba to? Kuya Jeff, hindi ko po pala alam yung Till My Heart Aches End. Sorry po, baka po may iba ka pong request. Pasensya po, akala ko alam ko nagmamagaling na naman ako Hello, Jughead Jones Bridge. Namiss kita talaga. Namiss din kita, Eri. Talaga. Lagot. Oh, game. Go, mag-request kayo. Ang maunang mag-request, di ko kakantahin siya. Sige, anong request nyo? Ayaw nyo mag-request? Iyak ako. Kilala pa kaya ako nito? Si Mosh Blade! Hello, Mosh Blade. Ayun, Mercy daw. Oh, sige. Si Kuya Jeff muna. Kuya Jeff, ano pong request nyo? Hello, everyone. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Please follow me sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin. Ako po si Madge. Isa po akong... Hello, musta? Okay naman po. Isip muna ka. Okay, sige. Mercy muna. Totoy Bibo. Seryoso ba yan, Gamer Zone? Kantahin ko talaga yan. Totoy Bibo slow version. Over naman sa reverb. Sige, Mercy daw muna. Yung ba yung a lot of mercy, na-na-na-na, party, na-na-na-na, sexy. Yung ba yun? Yung ba yun? Mali. Parang mali. Uwi talaga to si Papa J. Si Papa J ang pinaka-close kong fan. Yan. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. Thank you so much. Please follow me. You've got a hold of me. Don't even know your pal. Past 10 to 100 feet, but I fall when I'm around you. Show me an open door, then you go slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart. And even though you don't mean, think your body cutie, you keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy on my heart? I tried through the night just to be near you, baby. all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I'll gladly do it twice. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I will gladly do it twice. Oh, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart. And even though you don't mean to hurt me, you keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy on me? I'm a puppet on your string, and even though you got good intentions, I need you to set me free. You've got mercy, mercy. I'm begging you, please, baby. Dangerously, parang chorus lang alam ko dun, Gamer Zone. Begging you. Ayan. Thank you, Kuya Arman, for requesting that song. Nakakamiss pala kantahin ng Mercy. Ayan. At dahil andito si Birthday Boy, may request kasi siya sa akin. May request kasi si Birthday Boy. Eh di kakantahin natin yung request niya.
Bago kumagat,
Bago kumagat, ano?
bite it, sip it, slurp it.
Sabi, ni-request niya to eh, chinat niya to eh. For good. Alam ko ba yun? Check ko po, Kuya Jeff. Pero parang, di ba yun yung pinag-aralan ko? Yun po ata yun. Ito request ni Birthday Boy. Happy birthday, Kuya Piu Piu. Happy birthday, Direk. Para sa'yo to. Teka, kailangan ayusan ko to. Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na maghiwalay. Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka muling mahal ka? Naiiyak na ako. Hello! Magkulang man sa atin itong sandali, alam ko na tayo'y magkikita uli hanggat may umaga pa na hanapin. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Naiyak na si Kuya Pio. MLL48 badge po sa lahat ng social media accounts ko. Thank you so much. Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka Kuya Piu, ano, okay na ba yun? Approve ba? Sa'y matcha ko. Parang nagulat ako doon, parang napagod ako doon ah. Hello po. Ay, oh my gosh, may napipindot ang tao. Ayan. Thank you po. Nakita ko na yung ilaw. No more pain ba? No more pain. No more pain. Grabe ka na bilang tao. Saret. Run free. Ayan. Kamusta naman? Parang nagulat ako sa kanta ko ah. Medyo mataas pala yung kuya. Magulang. Grabe naman yun. Halloween! Hello! Thank you for the heart me. Sisiw nga sa'yo eh. Sisiw daw sa akin. Di naman. Eto naman. Request naman ni Kuya Jeff. Request ng ating direct at request ng ating host at ang nag-voice over. Kailangan ano yung natin
Did the five
request
last?
nila. Keep tapping the screen, everyone. Thank you so much. Please follow me as well. Thank you so much. I've heard it said. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? I've heard. Parang wala ako sa tono. I've heard it said. Tama ba? I've heard it said. The people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are glad to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true. Hello, Ram. But I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes for some. because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Ang break time sa hapon,
Ayan. Matcha ba yan? Opo. Masyadong green, no? Sa camera lang yan. Thank you po, Harwin. Salamat po sa lahat ng gifts, everyone. Alam mo ba yung tribute song namin sa culmination? Ano po yun, Kuya Ram? Ah, yung For Good. Totoo ba? O, sige, request kayo. Request pa kayo iba. Madge po, Kuya. May sinend ako sa'yo. Wow! Grabe si birthday boy. Ay, wow. O, game. Ano pa, go? Request pa kayo? Ano pa request nyo? Ano ba yan? Bakit pa nagkaano to? Hello, Just Jane. I'm not sure eh. Parang hindi ako familiar. Baka may iba ka pang request. Hello, Sadie. Kaninong birthday now? Secret. No problem, Kuya Piu. Enjoy. Nanonood ka ba ng stage play? No, hindi kami nakapanood. Hindi ako nakapanood. Malayo po kasi ako eh. Pero I think yung ibang members nanood po. Risk it all? Ako, kakakanta ko lang po. Baka may iba pa po ko yung request. Dati ang dami yung request. Ngayon, wala na kayong request. Ano ba yun? Naubos na lahat ng kanta na na-request nyo, no? I don't know if I'm satisfied. Naku, matcha-challenge tayo sa satisfied. Ah, sige. Love? Love, sige po. After nito, mag-stay lang po kayo
Now everyone,
para makanta
to the
natin.
maid of honor, Angelica Schuyler!
The toast the room. Okay, Kuya JP, ingat po. To the bride from your sister who is always by your side. To your union and the hope that you provide. May you always be satisfied. Dito si Manager B. Rewind, rewind, helpless skies. I remember that night I just smiled. I remember that night I just smiled. I remember that night, I remember that. I remember that night I just might regret the night for the rest of my days. I remember those soldier boys tripping over themselves to win our praise. I remember that dream like candlelight, like a dream that you can't replace. But Alexander, I could look at the first time I saw your face. I have never been the same. Intelligent eyes and no hunger pan frame. And when you said hi, I forgot my damn name. Set my heart aflame, every part aflame. This is not a game. Thank you for following me. Please follow me, everyone. I'm sure I don't know what you mean. You forget yourself.
You're like me, I'm never satisfied.
Is that right?
I've never been satisfied.
is Angelica Schuyler.
Alexander Hamilton.
Where's your family from?
Unimportant, there's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait, just you wait.
So this is what it feels like to match with someone that you love, and what the hell is a catch? It's the feeling of freedom of seeing the light. It's better frankly with a key in the kite. You see it, right? The conversation lasted 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. Everything was at a total agreement. It's a dream and it's a bit of a dance, a bit of a posture, it's a bit of a stance. It's a bit of a flirt, but I'ma give it a chance. I asked about his family, do you see his hands? His heart, I get fidgeting and look his dance. His panel is flying by the seat of his pants. Handsome boy, doesn't know it. Peach fuzz, and he can't even grow it. I wanna take it far away from this place, and turn it to my sister's face, and she is helpless, and I know she is helpless, and her eyes are just helpless, and I realize 3 fundamental truths at the exact same time.
Where are you taking me?
I'm about to change your
Then by
life.
all
Thank you,
means,
Manager B. Girl in a world in which my only job is to marry rich. My brother has no son, so I'm the one who has the social platform. So the oldest and the wittiest and the gossip in New York City is insidious. And Alexander is penniless. That doesn't mean I want him penniless.
Schuyler.
My sister. This happened to me because I'm a scholar sister. The little bit is sad inside. Have to be naive to set that aside. Maybe that is why I introduced him to Eliza, not his bride. Nice going, Angelica, he was right. You will never be satisfied.
If it takes fighting more for us to meet, it will have been worth it.
I know my sister like I know my own mind. You will never find anyone that's trusting or as kind. If I tell her that I love her, she'd be silently resigned. It'd be mine. She would say I'm fine. She'd be mine. When I found his eyes are not, it's Alexander's eyes. As I met his eyes, what might have been if I hadn't sized him up so quickly. At least my dear Eliza's his wife. At least I keep his eyes in my life. To the ground, to the bride, from his sister, who is always by your side, to your union, and the hope that you provide. May always be satisfied, and I know she'll be happy as his bride, and I know he'll never be satisfied. I'll never be satisfied. Hello, Maku. Speechless. Sige, speechless. Thank you, Manager B. Thank you po for the gifts, Manager B. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you, Maku. Speechless by Lady Gaga po ba? Yes. Mali. Here comes a wave meant to wash me away, a tide that is taking me under. Swallow and sail for nothing to say, my voice drowned out in the thunder. But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble. Whenever they try to shut your confidence, Manager B, I will be Papa J, for requesting that song. Thank you, Buddy Cutie. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Bro Shigio. Thank you, Cherry, for the gifts. Thank you, everyone. Aw, thank you, Manager B. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manager B, for the Night Star. Thank you po. Thank you, guys. I miss you too, Mako. I miss you too. Namiss ko kayong lahat. Okay, for my next song, Hawak Kamay. Hawak Kamay by Yang Constantino. Thank you, Coco, for the heart me. Thank you, Shaynan. Thank you so much. Hello, Coco. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you so much. Minsan madarama mo kaibigan ang problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabing di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumbungan, o di kaya ako'y tawagin. Malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Manager B, for the treasure box. Okay, Gamer Zone, next nito. Tangagos ng problema ay tinatangay ka. Sorry po, nawala ako. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumpungan, o di kaya ako'y tawagin. Malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, huwag mong sabihin nag-iisa ka. Laging isipin may makakasama. Narito ako, narito ako. Hawak kamay, di kita iwan sa paglakbay. Dito sa mundo walang katiyakan, hawak kamay, di kita bibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng kawalan, sa mundo ng kawalan. Hello, JPN. Hawak kamay, hawak kamay, hawak kamay. Sa mundo ng kawalan. Thank you. Hello, Ina. Sige, after ng The Greatest Love of All, if makakastay ka. Hawak kamay. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Okay, wait lang. Hala! Thank you so much. Oh, yung cute. Hala! Thank you, Manager B. Thank you po. Thank you, Manager B. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, Manager B. Thank you for the Night Star. Salamat po, Live Goal Achieve. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat po ng marami. Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Okay. For the next request, thank you po, Manager B. The greatest, tama nga. Greatest love of all. Tama ba?
Ang break time sa hapon.
You can tell the Angus people.
Okay, request to ni Kuya JP, right? Ay, hindi ni Gamerzone pala. Heartless! Thank you, Manager B, for the roses. Thank you po. Nakakuha rin ng TV. Hello. Okay po, Manager B. Thank you so much po. Good night po. Salamat po sa pagdaan. Good night po. Thank you po. Heartless! 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 Heartless, parang na-miss mo ako Hindi ka na heartless. Thank you, Manager B. Thank you so much po. Okay, this is for you, Gamerzone. I believe the children are a future. Teach them well and let them lead away. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense. Thank you, Manager B. Life Goal Achieve. Easier. Let the children's laughter reminds us how we used. Hindi chorus lang alam ko dun, matcha latte. Searching for a hero. People need someone. Never found someone to fulfill my need. So learn to depend on. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, thank you, Manager B. At least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride. Hello, Sparks Unlimited. Make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest kuya. That you've been dreaming of. Hello, H. Na-miss ko rin kayo. Lead you to... Oh, sige, next nito tayo on this hill. Find your strength in love. Ayun, thank you, gamers. So, sana nagustuhan mo yun. Hindi masyadong perfect, pero ayun. Salamat po sa inyo. Mga ka-makeup. Left tint lang yun. Tsaka concealer lang. Tsaka eyeliner. Left tint lang yan, Julius. O, sa'yo, bahala ka dyan. Ayan na ang nagbabakasyon. Hello, cakes. By the way, kamusta ka naman? Okay naman po. Match mo ko dito sex bomb sa April. Dadalo kami. Oh, dadalo kami. Shoutout mo na lang ako kay Sex Bomb Ira. Palayo sa mundo. Chorus lang alam ko dun. Okay, Dion. Andito pa ba yung nag-request ng Dion this hill? Medyo na masasabi mo nung pinost ko AI nung film. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, Julius. Bringing up mo pa talaga yan eh, no? talaga. Siyempre, bahala ka dyan. Wala ka, Jules, kausap mo sarili mo. Lilim, hindi po kuya. Pasensya na, ang dami kong hindi alam, no? Kakapanganak ko pa lang po kasi kahapon. Charis. Ayan, hello sa inyo. My next song is Die on This Hill. Uy, Jelly Ace, welcome back to you. Hello. Thank you po sa gifts, everyone. Come and stay. Say that you need me. Stop cause it's words. Don't ever mean it of it all. At least not to me. Hello, Rihanna. Every day I'll be more creative. Thank you, Jelly Ace. A poetic way to say I'm not leaving to the world, not to your face. Favorite niya ba to? Ako rin eh. I'll take my pride, standing for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life, hello Simon, just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight. Sige Kuya Pim, thank you Kuya Jeff. On this hill, I always will. Salamat po sa mga gifts. I know that I'll work, stubborn and patient. When you wrote a book, I just took a page out to be loved and never know. And you kept your word, you are never. The way the song is wrong, the song just never. Tell me now, tell me now. Thank you po. Hello, Jamie ni Jamie. Miss you too. Masakit ba? Oo, masakit. Thank you, Ina. Thank you for requesting that song. Masakit yung mga pinapakanta yun. Ayun ko na. Yung isa pa tong wala na bang pag-ibig. May naaalala ko di. Ay, hindi. Huwag kang gumawa ng kwento. Okay. Wala na bang pag-ibig by Jaya? Adele naman. O sige, after nito mag-a-Adele. Wala ba akong sinabing request na kakantahin? Paalala nyo na lang sa akin, guys, ha? Pero eto nga. Wala na bang pag-ibig das Adele? O sige. Nadulos. Eme lang. Ayun na naman siya sa issue niya. Oh. Yung si Kuya Piu nag-iinong issue yan eh. Love you, Kuya. Kuya Arman. Wala na bang tag-Airberg? Sabi mo yung Airberg. Ba't ang ganun? Uwe. Kailangan yung daman-dama eh. Makakaya ko pa kung mawawala ka sa aking piling? Hindi. Challenge. Paano ba? Halika, yakap mo. Eh di ko na kayang isipin. Kung may paglalambing kapag wala ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuluyan bang hahayaan. Shoutout sa mga kaibigan ni Kuya Bill. Wala na pang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan? Hello, Gab! Kamusta naman? Hinahanap ko ni Marge. Makakaya ka ba kung tuluyan ika'y wala na? Thank you, Gab! At di na makikita paano ang ngapin kapag ika'y naaalala. Saan ako pupunta pag wala ka na sa ating tabi? Tunay na di magbabalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuluyan bang hahayaan? Wala na pang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya ang bawat nagdaan? Wala na pang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati walang hanggan. Paano kaya wala na pang pag-ibig sa puso mo, at di mo na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati? Thank you, Triangle. Paano kaya? Thank you, everyone. Ang bawat nagdaan from this moment. Parang hindi po ata ako familiar. Chorus lang po ata alam. Wala na bang pag-ibig? Sorry po, parang hindi ako familiar sa from this moment. Hello, ayan. Okay, andito pa ba yung nag-request ng from this moment from this choice. Nakilala ko to dahil sa The Age is Right. Ay, nanood ka po. Thank you so much. Hello sa'yo. Ayun, Adele. Misteryoso. Sige, try natin. After ng Adele, Misteryoso. Misteryoso. Sino si Yoso? Charis. Ako nang mag-joke. Adele daw, Adele. Ano ba alam ko kay Adele? Parang, wait lang. Yung kinakanta ko kay Adele eh. May yung kinakanta ko kay Adele, yung Don't you remember? Kasi hindi ko na maalala yun eh. Sige. Bala lang. Ayoko nang make you feel my love. Masasaktan lang ako dito. Alam ko pa ba yung Don't You Remember? Na-recall ko. Sige, try natin to. Pag-ibigay kanibalismo. Sige, wait lang. Don't You Remember? Teka lang guys. Misteryoso. Pag-ibigay kanibalismo. Sige. Basta mag-stay kayo paalala niyo sa akin. Rolling in the Deep. Eto muna. Don't You Remember, try natin. Hello, H. Uy, alam niyo, ang tagal ko na kinakanta nito. Namimiss ko siya kantahin. Favorite ko to dati. Ayan, thank you, Kuya Ram. Ayan, hello, everyone. When will I see you again? Ganun ba yun? You'll have it now, combine on a single word said. Naalala ko pa. No final kiss, just new innocence. I had no idea little song. Ayan. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa inyo. Dahil dyan, ang paborito nating Mars Charis. Bakit? Bakit naman? Ayoko na. Alam mo yun, hindi na nawala sa isip yan, ha? Ilan ko sa empanada, ano, tara? Dubai chewy cookie, ano, tara? Dahil dyan, meron ka 5 pitek with soft booze. Bugay na koy-koy! Ayoko na. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat. Dubai chewy cookie, ano, tara? Ilan ko sa empanada, ano, tara? Scramble lang tao ba, ano, tara? Meron ka pitek with soft booze. Bakit naman bugay na koy-koy? Alam niyo, hindi ko alam kung gets niyo yung reference ko. Ano ba yun? Kasi hindi niyo gets yung mga RRL. Guys naman, no. Guys. Wait lang. Mama? Mama! Eto na ako ngayon. Ayoko na, titigil lang. Tama na kasi. Tama na nga eh. Yeah, that was not the information. No. Guard. Misteryoso. Mama? Mama? Eto na ako ngayon. Kasi hindi mo ako pinapakain. May kwento ko sa inyo mamaya. Kasi yung kapatid ko, basta may kwento yung kapatid ko, so, mas may dating kwento dito. Basta sa amin sa subdivision, hindi ko nasasabihin kung ano. Basta nakakatakot siya. Basta nakakatakot. Hindi ganyan. Nagkukwentuhan kami ni Mami, palabas kami. Gabi, naglalakad kami. Pag ako kasi magugulatin kasi ako. Di ba nagkukwentuhan kami, nasa gitna ng kwentuhan namin. May tumahol na aso. Di sabi ko, sabi mo, nagulatin siya. Sabi, ginanon yung ano ko, ginanon yung ano ko, te. Apakabigpit, ginanon niya ako. Gulat na gulat siya. Sabi niya, ano ba yun? Sabi ko, akala ko kasi kung may tumahol kasi na aso. Kaya nagulat ako. Thank you, Papa J. Salamat po sa popular, sa Go Popular. Thank you, Papa J, for all the gifts. Ayoko na. Okay. Di ba nakakatawa? Di ba nakakatawa siya pag nakita niyo sa totoong buhay? Thank you, Papa J. Okay, misteryoso daw. Meron bang female ito? Mataas na ba to? Sige.
Great taste.
Thank you, Papa J, for all the gifts. Salamat po.
They're back!
Ang baya, para ako nakikipag-usap sa hangin. Yung kwento ko, wala man lang nag-react. Salamat, ah. Salamat, ah. Oh, eto ka na naman. Ang ano yun? Ano yun? Oh, eto ka na naman. Teka nga! Sorry. Ito na talaga. Ayan. Oh, eto ka na naman. Ibahin na lang natin yung -1. Feel ko yung -1 yung may problema, hindi ako. Nanisi. Parehas lang eh. Iwas ng tingin. Laging nakatanaw sa mga tala, nakadungaw sa bintana. Kailan mo ba magagawa? Itaniwas sa dilim ang natatanging kagandahan, nabalot ng hiwagang Hindi ko pa alam to. Sige, laban natin. Nais ba sila yan ng iyong mga matang puno ng lihim at kislap? Bang isang estranghero pagbibigyan ng puso ko? Natuturete sa'yo, hindi alam kung bakit ba ako nabighani sa iyo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ganito, kahit na alam ko mukhang wala rin naman itong patutunguhan. Kahit pa hila ang lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong hiting misteryoso. Akong bumubulong, ilang awit pa bang isusulat? Wala na bang hangganan? Kailan mo ba mapapansin? Nais mo sila yan ng iyong mga matang puno ng lihim at kislat? Tili nga lang bang isang estranghero pagbibigyan ng puso ko? Natuturete sa'yo, hindi alam kung bakit ba ako nabighani sa iyo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ganito, kahit na alam kong mukhang wala rin naman itong patutunguhan. Kahit pa ilaan lahat ng oras sa'yo, hindi titigil hanggang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong ngiting misteryoso. Hindi ko pala alam yung bridge nito, sorry po. Ibibirit! Di maipaliwanag kung bakit nabighani sa iyo. Walang rason, walang pero, basta ito ay totoo. Di akalaing makakapiling ko ang isang katulad mo. Tila isang engkantong laging hinahanap-hanap ko. Hilig ang ikaw ang patutunguhan. Kahit pa salong at ang aking oras sa'yo, di makapaniwalang ako na ang dahilan ng iyong ngiting misteryoso. Yoso. And thank you po. Ano yung next request?
Skip the search for
Ano daw po yung next request ulit? Teka lang. Back rib lang. Andito pa ba yung nag-request ng thank you po sa gift? Salamat po. Andito pa ba yung nag-request ng kanibalismo? Andito yung nag-request. Ayun. Sige. Sige kuya, paalala mo na lang. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Keep tapping the screen everyone. Thank you so much. ako masamang tao, pumapatay lang ako ng kalungkutan ko, pati ng sa'yo. Thank you po. Ano yung next po na request? Ano yung next na request? Kalimutan ko na. Rolling in the Deep. Hindi may nag-request sa Rolling in the Deep. Kalapastangan. Hindi eh. You're welcome, Christine. Ay, si Rod. Hello, Rod. Me. Ay, si Gamer Zone pala. Rolling in the Deep. Ayan. Ni Adele, no? Pasilyo. Sige, Pasilyo. Pasilyo. Si Josh na set up po. Ano, may request pala si Kuya Josh. Kuya, ano po yung request ng friend nyo? Pero eto muna, Rolling in the Deep. Ni Adele. Hindi ni Casey. Kasi may nagpapamiss ka ba? Hello po. Hello po, Kuya Rod. Hello po. Kamusta po kayo? Porke. Sige. Porke tapos Pasilyo. Hello everyone. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Iya, for following me. Okay. Ito muna. Rolling in the Deep. Thank you so much, Rod, for the Night Star. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ate, ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ikot-ikot by Sarge. Sige. Paalala nyo sa akin, guys, Yan. Hello, everyone. Please follow me. My next song is Rolling in the Deep by Adele. There's a fire all started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Yang how do we need? Go ahead, tell me how tonight your ship bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire all started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and is bringing me out the dark. This cause of your love remind me of us to keep me thinking that we almost had it all. This cause of your love they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had treasure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. We keep me. Thank you, Paran. Thank you guys for the gifts. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it with a beat. Beat your on, throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back and kind of reaches what you've sown. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. Sorry po, hindi ko mapigilang hindi gawin yung version ni KZ, masyadong maganda. Ayan, thank you everyone. Salamat po. Thank you po sa nag-request ng song. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng gifts. Thank you so much po. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you everyone. Please follow me. I'm much po sa mga hindi ko nakakilala sa akin. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya Ram. Salamat po sa pagpapaalala. Paglalabang kita, Manch ka. Love you, Kuya Gab. Okay, for my next song, Porke. Request daw to ng kaibigan. Anong pangalan ng kaibigan mo, Kuya Pio? Kuya Pio, ano pong name ng friend mo?
Yellow Magic. Nutritious breakfast.
Ano pong name para po hindi ma-shoutout? Hindi pala isa-shoutout, tinanong lang. Dems. Hello, Kuya Dems. Kuya ba? Tama ba? Para sa'yo po to. May pinagdadaanan ka po ba? Chares. Thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen. Keep tapping the screen. Daming keep na. Pero ayun, thank you so much everyone. Thank you for all the support. Keep tapping the screen. Love you all. This song is Porke. Tulala lang sa aking kwarto at nagmumuni. Ba't ang tama ang apelido ni Dems? Ang tanong sa aking sarili, saan ako nagkamali? Ate Aya, di ako familiar. Ibang Ben and Ben. Bakit sa'yo pa nagkagusto? Tikache. Parang bulay ika'y naglaho. Everybody say, porque contigo yo escogí. Ahora mi corazón está sufrir. Bien simple lang yo te pedí. Era sentido el cosa yo y así. Padilla. Dennis Padilla yun sa iyong panang kagusto. Mali. Okay, nag-iisip ng entry. Parang buhay kay naglaho para kay Kuya Dams. Porque contigo yo escogí ahora mi corazón. Debe si rol. Bien simple lang iyon napiti. Era sentido el cosa yo ya sentí. Napiti milagro, pero el tiempo el mal ya se derecho. Nadie me llore eso. Napiti yo, era olvida yo contigo. Huwag nang lumapit o tumawag pa at huwag ka masampal lang kita. Di babalikan, magsisi ka man, ako ay lisanin. Di ba talaga babalikan? Marurupok dyan. Porque contigo yo escogí ángel. Ahora mi corazón te hace feliz. Bien simple lang iyon napiti. Era sentido esto sa'yo ya sentí. Bakit ikaw ba ang napili? Ngayon ang puso ko ay so free. Kay simple lang na aking hiling, na madama mo rin ang pait at bighati. Sana'y magmilagro, mabalik ka, mali ay may diretso. Pinagdarasal mo sa aking puso, namamuranan sa isip ko. Anong inhale, Gab? Si Mamish nga pala asaan. Uy, grabe si Mako, tatlo. Next, si Pilio. Ayoko niyan eh. Nag-inarte. Ayoko niyan eh. Ayoko ng Basilio kasi ano ba yan? Naalala ko yung nakaraan namin ni Joshua Garcia. Paladay basang-basa. Alala ko yung pass namin ni Joshua Garcia sa Pasilio. Ayoko nang ganyan eh. Sige na nga. Team song pa naman namin to ni Donnie dati. Ay, nag-iilusyon na siya. Sabi sa inyo eh. Hindi ko pa kasi nainom yung gamot ko. Ano ba? Grabe naman yung napapaganon ako eh. Parang tikito tuloy hanggang ganun. Tuloy ko ba? Baka mawalan pa ako ng viewers. Ayun na doon. Bahalay, basang-basa. Ay, okay na yun. Okay na po yun. Sa nag-request po, okay na po yun. Okay na yun. Grabe naman, buuin ko pa. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Gab, sinasabi ko sa'yo, si Gab na naman yan. Si Jan, naaalala mo eh. Si Jan, sino si Jan? Papaganon ako eh, oh. Napapaganon ako eh, oh. Gumaganon eh, oh. Nakikita ba'y damang-dama sa'kin? Kalang ng punong-puno ng pananabik at ang kapalaling sa'king bawat paghinga. Nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Naglakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo tungo sa altar ng simbahan. Hahagkan at ikatibitawan na kung mahihiling pa, ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Uy! Ito talaga si Gabo. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Same Usher. Theme song namin to ni George Ray. Like, oh my gosh naman. Di may kukumpara. Araw-araw kong dala-dala pa po. Ritong panala. Si Joshua, hindi si Joshua. Di ko kilala si Joshua. Huwag kayo papalilin. Huwag kayo palin lang dyan. Di ko kilala si Joshua.